Hey everyone, welcome. It's Bubsbee here, and today we're gonna get right into it. All right, I actually have a wig video for you all. All right, this is gonna be a quick one, so like I said, let's get started. This one's a cute one, all right? They sent over some products. Of course, this video is being sponsored by Hurelahumanhair. Thank you guys so much. And in the box, it came with a headband. We have some extra straps to tighten the wig if necessary. And this is the wig right here, all right? The highlights just stood out to me. I am loving this golden chocolatey brown. I don't know, it just looks so good next to melanin skin. Look at that. All right, it's giving me, you know, wavy, curly. I'm liking it. So this is their V-part wig, and this is the balayage highlight color, and this is 150 density, and it's in 24 inches. So like I said, this is a V-part wig, so it's not your typical U-part, it's a V-part. So this is going to give me invisible scalp. It's going to look like my natural hair. You can secure the wig with the clips that's attached to the wig, and also it does have a strap for security. Now you can see my hair has already been done. I did add a co-wash in my hair right now, and then I just twisted and braided my hair up just to get it out the way so the wig can lay flat on my scalp. But what's really important is the part in the front. You want to make sure your line is straight, and I did braid those two sections flat to my scalp. All right, and to ensure that the ends aren't flying around, I'm just going to pin my ends and then take a rubber band and put my hair into a small bun. Now I'm just adding the wig cap they provided, and this protects my hair for me and also helps the wig grip onto my hair very well. Now, I personally like a wig I can just pull out of the box and put it right on. I don't want to fuss, tack. I don't want to paste it to my head. I just want to get it on, and this wig does just that. It was very easy to get on, and I'm just going to use those clips that's on the V part, the actual V part. I'm going to clip that into the front. So I think I should have made the part a little bit deeper. That was my fault, but I was able to still make it work. You're going to see me try to fix and clip the clip-in onto my hair securely and make sure it's super close to the part. So that's actually how I'm going to blend the wig in so well. All right, so you can just keep on watching. I'm just going to be fixing the wig, combing it out, fluffing it, and getting my desired look. So now that I have the wig tacked and secured on. If you really want this to blend even better, you definitely can take out some hair where your part is, all right, and wet your natural hair and blend it to this wig. But you guys know me, I like to just put the wig on and go, pretty much. So after doing that, I was liking it, but I really wanted more volume. So I will go in with my fingers, my comb, and really pick and fluff the hair out a lot more. I personally like big hair, curly, straight, wavy. It doesn't matter. I like the volume. I want volume and texture. And yeah, the wig just gave that. These are my finished results. What do you guys think? I really love the tone and the color of the wig. I love the length, and I just love that it can look super tamed if you add a little product or even water, but if you do fluff it out with a comb, it does get voluminous. I really love the versatility of this wig. Let me know what you thought down below. Check out Hurela wigs. I'm going to leave a direct link down below and other links so you can check out their other textures. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you once again, Hurela Hair, for sponsoring today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.